Oh yeah, it's almost Thanksgiving break. We're like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But I was watching this YouTube video. It was when I first did my double. I found this on my YouTube video. Yes, something flew by. I thought it was a bee, but it was really just a freaking looking bird. See, watch. Like. See it, guys? Yeah. Guys, that's basically. You just go back. You can probably like see it fly by. That's. Oh wait, no, just go by 10 seconds. We'll see it. You want to see it again? Did you see it? Wait, what? Oh.
Is that a bird?
Yeah, obviously look constipated like this. Like this. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. That was just a funny part of the day, because we're about to go on the trampoline, right?